I'm Associate Professor Ari Happonen. I come from Finland, and my university is called LUT University. We have two campuses. One is in the middle of the Finland, and other one, which is the original campus in the eastern side. We focus in business management, engineering, computer sciences, chemical engineering, and so on. So 3 different schools, wide variety of combination of engineering sciences and business side. And from something that is probably good to mention, we have a strategy to be as sustainable as possible. So a lot of our professors are focusing on combining sustainability both on research and teaching. I'm really enthusiastic and happy to be here. It's a huge privilege to be able to speak with so big audience, and it's also interesting to see which direction these talks are going. I was just following one of the keynotes from the industrial perspective, and I totally agree on the challenges that different countries will going to have in future in the sense that we have now developed a global situation where certain countries are highly enthusiastic and capable in, for example, hardware manufacturing. So it means that it's best for the other countries to focus on the other sides, meaning knowledge building, algorithms, software, and also utilization of these hardwares, combining multiple different things together and build something on top of the good foundation other countries can provide. Well, my personal research and way how I teach has always been university-industry collaboration. So for me, this is how it should be. In many areas, when industries are developing new products, novel solutions, they actually can exceed what is the front line on research. They do it for different purposes, and they create new knowledge in different means than what academics are doing. But on the other hand, you could consider, for example, 1915-16 space race age. It wouldn't have been possible without government-funded research and institutions like NASA. On those times, institutions what we have nowadays, SpaceX and others who are making the going into space cheaper than ever possible. They are actually building on what the original research did. So, like I said, for me it feels natural to have as close collaboration between industry and academics as possible. Many novel ideas that academics create becomes as part of our, let's say, everyday life, because of industry seeing possibilities to actually produce tens of thousands or millions of solutions based on what someone has been doing in theory and creating the concepts. I see this in the same way than we probably should be seeing the industrial revolutions before AI. When the steam engines came on to revolutionize how factories were working in history, we said the same. They are going to take the jobs away, and there is ethical issues, worker rights. When the computers came to play, we said they are going to take away jobs. There is problems on data management, and it feels like for the ethical side, it's up to the societies to arrange things in the way that those ethical problems don't become to be problems. For the job side, I would like to say to everyone, encourage them to take the lifelong learning as part of your life. be prepared that there isn't anything else certain than change. That's the only one thing that is going to be certain, and things going to change. So as long as you are ready to pivot yourself when it's needed, you should be safe in the side that jobs come and go. Things we did it 30 years ago, some of those are not anymore jobs. But we have also a huge amount of jobs which were not there 30 years ago. So as long as you push the society forward, it means some jobs go away and others come there. So with growth comes the jobs. And that's basically only thing on that side. I don't afraid AI to steal the jobs. It will just change what we see as a contribution as a worker. I would say that go whatever is your passion. That's the first and most important thing. So look things that you like, everything inside your fashion circle. Also be clever on aiming those job markets and careers, either national or international, that fit still inside your motivation and passion circle. That is the driving force for you to want to go forward, to do something that you feel that you contribute for your family or your society, or the industry that you work. Or if you like to become a teacher, I'm sure you want to educate the young people. So whatever the passion on, first go there and then study what is currently happening on the front line, what sort of transformation happens nationally and internationally. And it should become kind of obvious when you just put time on the studies, that where to lean on and what to look for. I previously mentioned this university industry collaboration. If there is any hackathons, intensive courses, project-based learning, please go on those. They give you close ties to the industry. So that is the way for you to show what you can do. And it also gives the industry to see what you are capable of. The standard process of applying open positions, sending your application CV, then going interview and then maybe be accepted. In most of these close collaborations, when you show your skills to the industry, if you are lucky, you skip the sending CV, you skip sending motivational letter, you skip writing the application, and you are directly going to the interview. Because they already know what you can do. Then the only discussion is in some sort of interview of do you really want to come to our company? This would be the challenges but benefits that you gain, and are you the good cultural fit? So that's my take on how to cheat on job markets. Be close where the markets are.